Assalamu alaikum, and good day students. This video is a continuation on our previously covered topic. It is on computer security. You may refer your textbook on page 103, 107 and page 108. There are 4 different methods we are going to covered in this video. The methods are: Number 1, it is called as a security protocol. It has 2 types of security. One is secure socket layer, and 2 is transport layer security. Number 2, it is called as an authentication method. It has 3 different types. 1 is the use of passwords, 2 is the use of digital signature, and 3 is the use of biometric security. Number 3, it is called as denial of service attacks. Number 4, it is called as the use of antidote software like an anti-malware or an antivirus programs. There are also a few hundred of these methods for the security of the computer, specialized in protecting data once shared over the internet. Others like anti-hacking, anti-cracking, anti-spyware, anti-keylogger. The use of dongle drive, or token pin drive or paraphrase. Do not forget to take down some notes, on papers, or on your flashcards. We will begin explaining the methods, one by one in the next clips of this video. The 4th method is a security measure called security protocol. In the Internet, most web server is secured with security protocol. There are 2 different types of security protocols. Number 1. It is called a secure sockets layer or SSL. Number 2. It is called a transport layer security or DLS. Let's start with SSL. It is a type of security protocol that allows data to be sent and received securely over the Internet. It allows an authorized communication between 2 parties on the Internet. If you see this icon at the top of your URL web link, or in your screen web browser at the bottom of the status bar, this shows that the particular website page is secured under SSL features. It is an icon of a small padlock image, or the protocol type, which is the HTTP, and a letter S at the end. Thus, it is spelled out as HTTPS. The letter S at the end means secured under SSL protocol. So what happens when a surfer wants to access this secured website? As an example, a bank client is accessing an online bank website. The site address is https://rbank.kr/home. First, the surfer types in that web page's name in the URL bar. Next, he pressed the Enter key to proceed with an online bank transaction. Second, the client's web browser will requests for that the web server of that bank to identify itself, whether that website existed or not. Third, the bank web server responds by sending a copy of its SSL certificate to the client's web browser. This could be an authentication code that must be entered by the client. Example, like the client's ID login name and the password. Fourth, if the client's web browser can authenticate this certificate, it will send a message back to the web server. Lastly, once this message is received by the bank's web server, it will be checked and authorized as a legal bank client. The web server will acknowledge the web browser or the client. Here, it will allows a two-way SSL, encrypted protocol, for data transmission, to begin. Second type in security protocols. It is called a transport layer security, or TLS protocol. This is the latest version of security protocol. It is not only ensures the security of the network, it is also ensure the security of the privacy of data communication between user and devices over the network. It is designed to provide encryption algorithm, and authentication and data integrity. These both methods will be further explained in the next slides. Thus TLS is more effective way of protocol when compared to SSL. In the TLS, it has 2 layers. Layer 1 is called as the record protocol. Layer 2 is called as handshake protocol. With these layers, the TLS is designed to prevent a third party, like hackers or crackers, into tapping in illegally in the communication between two authorized users. In addition to it is to ensure data security. Only the most recent web browsers has both SSL and TLS features built into it. In TLS's first layer, the record protocol is to ensure encryption algorithm may or may not used during data transmission over the internet communication.